Hi everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel, where you will find mostly affordable, practical, and easy DIYs made by me. Anyway, from time to time, I also upload product reviews, and today I am going to be giving my first impression review of the Kitchen Academy Slow Juicer, and this is the model KAJU01. And I am so excited because it's perfect timing for me. I have been battling these sniffles or cold. So anyway, I've already unboxed it. Actually, I've already washed it and I've done a little bit of assembly already, to be honest. Excuse the mess in the background. Oh, by the way, this previous DIY actually that I have linked in the upper right hand corner is where I created this, my new favorite DIY, because you can hang this on the wall, put this in the corner of your counter, or even on your kitchen island like I have right now, and you can put fruits. You can use it for anything. It's not just fruits. You can use it in your home office, craft room, command center, and hot drink station. Excuse my dog, Cloud, I put him on a couch in the family room and he hears my voice and he doesn't want to be alone. So anyway, like I said earlier, I've already kind of did my assembly. When it came actually from the box, out of the box, this unit here, this part here, as well as the filter are already connected to this main chamber here. So I just plunged in and connected this. This part here is the chamber. This is where the pulp comes out. This is where the juice comes out. This plastic here is the pulp cup, and this is the juice cup, this acrylic clear container here. Yeah, so this is the filter. Okay, filtration. And then I plunged in, connected this auger head. Okay. And then this is the on, off, and maybe this is reverse, right? I don't know. Button. Okay. And this is the main machine here. Is this big one here. This is the motor unit where the motor is. And yeah, this part here is the hopper. Okay. Another thing that came in with this is this pusher, so that if there's anything stuck or you want to push it down some more, then you can put it here, push it from there. And there's also a brush for you to be able to clean things as well. I am ready to cure my cold, clear my sinus. And I know that vitamin C is what we need, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and make me some orange juice. So anyway, let's get started. I am just gonna go ahead and put this hopper. Make sure that this part here goes into this here, connects to there. And just following the arrow here, closing will be this way. So I put this portion here, right where this is here. Okay. Okay. So now, see, sit it properly and then turn it here. And then this should actually turn like that. You will hear a click and it should be now kind of perpendicular. So I have my orange peeled off and sliced. So you can actually also kind of push, release, push stuff in here, right? So let me just do that. Let me see if I could just drop it in here. It's just one orange for now. And then let me see what happens with just this one orange. Go ahead and turn it on. Oh, there you go. Ah. Just want to make sure I capture everything that it does. Oh, look at that. That was fast. Okay, let me cut some more because there's my juice about to come out. Look at that. Love it. I don't know why they call it slow juicer. To me, it's fast. Hold on. Okay, I sliced another orange fruit and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back on again. I think it's a slow juicer because it's not coming. Oh wait, duh. Okay, don't forget to open this one here. Nice. All right. I don't think it was a slow juicer in my opinion. It is a fast juicer. Look at that. How fast that is. Wow, look at that. And I'll show you all the pulp that's coming out. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Okay. Freshly squeezed juice. Okay. Let's just close that. That was funny. I thought that's why it's slow. It's not coming out yet. It's slowly gonna come out. But look at this, huh? And then I'm gonna go pour it into my cup. Wow. And I probably need more than 2, of course, to fill this up. But since I'm diabetic, I cannot really drink too much orange juice because of the sugar content. So I'm just gonna go ahead and taste it. Look at this. Yep, yummy. Wow. Wow, actually it's pretty good. Of course, orange juice, freshly squeezed. Nothing beats that. Actually, it's not too sweet. Wow. So I'm thinking we can squeeze out some of the other fruits and even carrots. And I'm hoping that we can do vegetable juicing as well. You know? But yeah, especially the new year, you know how it is with a lot of folks, including myself. I always say, oh, I'm gonna go on a diet. I'm gonna try to lose weight. And looks like this one is gonna be a good New Year's resolution partner, I would say. Because, oh man. Maybe I would squeeze some of the lemons too to make some lemon juice. But yeah, so I just want to thank Kitchen Academy for sending me this to try out. So I give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you for joining me here today to test this out. So I hope you all are having a great day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. And to my returning subscribers, thanks again. We are now over 80,000 subscribers. I'm so happy, and it has been a wonderful ride again with you guys this year. And I'm entering my 4th anniversary in April. I'm just gonna continue what I'm doing here on my channel, trying to give you mostly affordable, practical, and easy DIYs, as well as some product reviews, as well as some hauls from time to time. So have a great day, everybody, and God bless. I'll talk to you again on my next video. Bye-bye.